Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The base dimension is 70 by 110 and thickness is 16 mm, and there is a four circles, that inner diameter is 10, outer diameter is 20, height is 4 mm, pitch is 38 and 75 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select extrude, select the top plane, create one center rectangle, give the dimensions 70 by 110. And create four circles. Create center line first. Give the dimensions 20 and 10 mm. Pitch is 75, 38. Next, mirror these circles. Mirror entities. Mirror about center line. Okay. Again select circles, mirror entities, mirror about center line. Okay. So finish sketch. Select this face first. Thickness is 16 mm. Next, select this sketch, extrude, select the circles, height is 16 plus 4, 20 mm. Control 7 for ISO view. Next, you can see there is a circular part, that outer dia is 40, inner dia is 30 and 20 mm. Height is from the base 45 and 25 and 6 mm. For that, select the right plane, sketch, select line, give the dimensions here to here, 45, 25, 6, 45, this is 25, this is 6 mm. Next, this dimension is 40 mm. Outer dia is 20 and 15 mm. So finish sketch. Select here revolve, select this as a center axis. Okay. Control 7. Next select the right plane, sketch, create one line here, dimension is 13 mm. Select here 3-point arc, create arc like this. First create one center line here, now select arc, select line, create line like this. Give the tangent constraint here. Now give the dimension. Arc dimension is 20. Next create one more line here, same line, select same arc, give the create one more circle line, give the tangent constraint, this line should equal to this line, give the horizontal constraint, now give the tangent constraint. This arc dimension is R30. Select this and this, give the coincident constraint. Here we need to delete this. Okay. Select this line, give the horizontal constraint. Now create one more arc here, create line like this, give the tangent constraint, now give the arc dimension. Arc dimension is 100 mm. Give the horizontal constraint for this line. Next create one line here from the base 7 mm. Create one arc, select this and this, give the concentric constraint. Now give the dimension R38. Next select arc again, create one arc here, select this point and this point, give the coincident constraint. Now give the arc dimension R90. Select fillet 3 mm, okay. Select line, create line here. So that's it, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, select extrude, first select this and this, here select mid plane, give 40 mm, okay. Next select sketch, extrude, select this, here select mid plane, thickness is 13 mm, okay. Control 7, select this face, sketch, create one circle, dia 20, finish sketch, extrude cut, select through hole, okay. Control 7, select fillet, dimension 3 mm, select the edges, okay. Select fillet again 1 mm, okay. Assign the material metal. In the metal I will go with steel, in the steel polished steel. Select edit appearances, so you can assign here polishes like this. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. So you can compare with the drawing. If anything is missing, you can leave the comment below.